Hello everyone, a very good evening. So let us continue our discussion on differential equations. अभी तक हमने differential equation में जो भी पढ़ा, we were just dealing with differential equations of order 1 and degree 1. हमने variable separable form पढ़ा, homogeneous equation form पढ़ा, linear equation form पढ़ा, general form of variable separable पढ़ा, बहुत सारे forms पढ़े. But we know all these forms are applicable only when the differential equation has order 1 and degree 1. But now the point is, what when the differential equations has higher order or higher degree? So I will say till now we have studied one part of our chapter. We know how to solve differential equations जिनका degree 1 हो और order 1 हो. Now the next topic that we are going to start is we are going to deal with solving differential equations जिनका order तो 1 होगा but degree 1 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है. So what we are going to start is differential equations of order 1, which means the constraint is still there that the differential equation is just going to have a order 1. 1 से ज़्यादा order नहीं हो सकता. We are going to have the highest differential in the equation would be 1. So हमारे पास dy by dx की ही टर्म होगी. हम उससे ज़्यादा higher derivatives के साथ डील नहीं करेंगे. But now the degree can be more than 1. So differential equations of order 1 and higher degree. This is the next topic that we are going to start with. So पहले मुझे बताइए what would be a differential equation जिसका order 1 होगा but degree ज़्यादा होगी. तो I will say the general formula or the general way to represent such a differential equation would be something of this form. If I say dy by dx is represented by p, so वो equation कुछ ऐसी होगी. So this is the general way how we represent a differential equation of order 1 and higher degree. So the order is still 1 because the highest order derivative appearing in the equation is just p, which is dy by dx, where the degree is now n. So this equation has order 1 but n degree. So these are the type of equations which we are going to deal with. Now let us see what are the approaches to solve such type of differential equation. The first approach that we will see is equation solvable for p. Let us do one thing. Let us first discuss how many approaches are there to solve such type of differential equation और उसके बाद हम एक एक approach को individually discuss करते हैं. So the approaches to solve, there are 4 approaches to solve this type of differential equations. First is equation solvable for p. Then there are equations solvable for y, equations solvable for x and Claret's equation. Which would be some equations of the form dy by dx equals to px plus f of p. हम एक एक टॉपिक को इंडिविजुअली डिस्कस करेंगे, but just in order to bring in your notice, these are the 4 methods which we are going to discuss in order to solve differential equations of higher order than of order 1 and higher degree. So let us discuss with the first method, that is equations solvable for p. So let us discuss the first method, which is equations solvable for p. So a differential equation of order 1 and degree n of the form p to the power n plus f1 xy into p to the power n minus 1 till fn xy is said to be solvable for p if this equation can be reducible to n linear factors. That is, इस equation को हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं p minus So what I'm telling is this equation, this differential equation is said to be solvable for P if this differential equation can be reduced to n linear factors of this form. मतलब इस differential equation को अगर हम n linear factors के multiplication के form में express कर सकते हैं, तभी मैं कहूंगी कि इस differential equation को हम इस method से solve कर सकते हैं. या फिर मैं ऐसे कहूं कि हमारे पास एक differential equation है, अगर हम उस differential equation को इस तरह से n linear factors के multiplication के form में express कर सकते हैं, तो फिर उस differential equation को हम equation solvable for P method के through solve कर सकते हैं. So now what we have got is we had a differential equation. इस differential equation को हमने in n linear equations के form में express कर दिया है. Perfect. So now we have n differential equations. n differential equations क्या है? P minus 5nxy equals to 0. P minus 5 2xy equals to 0. P minus 5n xy equals to 0. So what we did? We had a differential equation. We expressed it in terms of n linear differential equations. Now ये n linear differential equations हमें मिली. P minus 5n xy 0, P minus 5 2xy 0 till P minus 5n xy 0. Now what is unique about, or I'll say what is special about these n linear differential equations? What I see is these are all differential equations of order 1 and degree 1. First वाले differential equation देखिए, highest order 1 degree 1, second highest order 1 degree 1, till nth we have higher order 1 and degree 1. So this differential equation of order 1 and degree n has now been decomposed into n differential equations each of order 1 and degree n. This is what we have done. अब इन differential equations को तो हम सभी आसानी से solve कर सकते हैं. So let us say the solution of this first differential equation is psi1 xy c1, okay, equals to 0. Then the solution of the second differential equation is some function psi2 y c2 equals to 0 till, and the solution of nth differential equation is psi n xy cn equals to 0. Perfect. So ये n differential equations मिली थी जिनको हमने solve किया और उनसे हमें n solutions मिले. So solution for first differential equation is this, psi1 xy c1. The different solution for the second differential equation is psi2 xy c2 till n. This is for psi n xy cn. Now these c1 c2 cn are all constants, arbitrary constants that we have assumed for now. मैं चाहूँ तो इन सभी को c से replace कर सकती हूँ. That will not lead to any loss of generality. We understand. So let us say we replace these constants c1 c2 cn all by one constant c. So our solutions are now psi1 xy c, psi2 xy c till psi n xy c. Got it? मैं वापस समझाती हूँ. हमने पहले इनके solutions क्या लिखे हैं? psi1 xy c1. हमने constants को नाम दे दिए c1 c2 cn till cn. But what I am telling now is कि मैं इन सभी constants को एक normal constant c से भी replace कर सकती हूँ. That will not lead to any loss of generality. We understand this? Okay. So now the solutions of the n differential equations are psi1 xy c equals to 0, psi2 xy c equals to 0, psi n xy c equals to 0. तो अभी तक हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले जो हमारी differential equation थी, we expressed it into n linear factors, into multiplication of n linear factors. अब these n linear factors are all differential equations of order 1 and degree 1. तो हमने हर differential equation को solve किया और उसका solution मिला. So the solution for first differential equation was some function psi1 xy c equals to 0. दूसरे का था psi2 xy c equals to 0 till psi n xy c equals to 0. तो अब हमें यहाँ पे n solutions मिल चुके हैं. And combining these all, the solution of this differential equation will now be, the solution of this differential equation now is going to be psi1 xy c into psi2 xy c till psi n xy c equals to 0. So this is the solution of our differential equation whose order is 1 and degree is n. समझ में आया? एक बार फिर से बहुत क्विकली रिवाइज करते हैं. फर्स्ट ब्रेक द डिफरेंशियल इनटू n लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस. ओके, फिर हर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को इंडिविजुअली सॉल्व करो. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को इंडिविजुअली सॉल्व करके उनके सॉल्यूशंस मिल गए which have the same constant c. Now the solution of the differential equation is going to be the multiplication of all these solutions. So this is how we solve differential equations which can be solvable for p. And how do we know the equations are reducible to p or solvable for p? When the differential equation can be expressed as a multiplication of n linear factors. Getting it? Let us understand a complete step with help of an illustration. ये सारे steps को एक illustration के help से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Let us say we have a differential equation p square minus 7p plus 12 equals to 0. So the differential equation that we have now is p square minus 7p plus 12 equals to 0. This is the differential equation जिसका order 1 है because p is dy by dx. This has been given. So we have a differential equation p square minus 7p plus 12 equals to 0. p is dy by dx, so the order of this differential equation is 1 and the degree of this differential equation is 2. Perfect. So this is a differential equation of order 1 and higher degree. Now we have to solve this differential equation. Now can this differential equation be decomposed or expressed as a multiplication of n linear factors? Let us see. क्या मैं इस differential equation को ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ? p minus 3 into p minus 4 equals to 0. Can I write this differential equation in this way? I can. p square minus 7p plus 12 can be expressed as multiplication of p minus 3, one linear differential equation, and to p minus 4, another linear differential equation. Perfectly clear. So now my differential equation has been expressed or has been decomposed into multiplication of two linear factors where 2 is the degree of my differential equation. अब क्या करना है? Now we have two differential equations, p minus 3 equals to 0 and p minus 4 equals to 0. Both are linear differential equations of order 1 and degree 1. इनका solution देखते हैं. So we have here dy by dx minus 3 equals to 0 and this one is dy by dx minus 4 equals to 0. फर्स्ट वाले डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन क्या होगा? इसका सोल्यूशन होगा y माइनस 3x प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड इसका सोल्यूशन होगा y माइनस 4x प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0. सो द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज y माइनस 3x प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0 और दूसरे का है y माइनस 4x प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द सोल्यूशन ऑफ माय दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन? इन दोनों सोल्यूशंस का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन होगा y माइनस 3x प्लस c इंटू y माइनस 4x प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ माय डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सभी को समझ में आया हमने कैसे सॉल्व किया? स्टेप 1 डिकम्पोज इनटू n लीनियर फैक्टर्स. स्टेप 2 फाइंड द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द n लीनियर फैक्टर्स. स्टेप 3 the solution of the differential equation is the multiplication of the solutions obtained. So this is the solution of our differential equation. Is everyone perfectly clear? किस तरीके से इसे पता find out किया? कोई भी डाउट हो तो पूछ लीजिए. Clear with the steps? Crystal clear? Okay. So let us do one more. Let us solve one more example. I want you to solve this example now. Can I erase this? Has everyone noted down? Okay. So write down this question. I want you to find the solution of this differential equation. So let us say we have a differential equation xy square into p square plus 2 equals to 2py cube plus x cube, where p is dy by dx. Okay, now solve this differential equation. The differential equation is xy square into p square plus 2 equals to 2py cube plus x cube, where p is dy by dx. I want you all to find the solution of this differential equation. बताइए इसका solution क्या होगा? First step क्या है? इससे हमें n factors के form में decompose करना है. So let us see how many factors that we are going to obtain here. What I see here is the order is 1 but the degree is 2. The highest power of p is 2, so the degree of this differential equation is 2, which means we are going to have two linear factors here. So let us obtain these two factors. Can I write this differential equation as xy square p square plus 2xy square minus 2py cube minus x cube equals to 0. Okay, so let us group these two together. So यहाँ से x common निकल जाएगा, तो we will have y square p square minus x square प्लस यहाँ से हम 2 कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, 2y कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. सो वी विल गेट xy माइनस py स्क्वायर, और वी कैन टेक एक्चुअली y स्क्वायर कॉमन. सो वी विल हैव x माइनस 2p रिमेनिंग, x माइनस p रिमेनिंग. परफेक्ट. ओके, सो नाउ दिस वुड बी x माइनस py रिमेनिंग. क्या? Okay, now this can be written as yp minus x into yp plus x, and this would be 2y square x minus py. Getting it? So I can take x minus py common out of this all. So we get yp minus x into x square plus pyx minus 2y square equals to 0. So we have got two linear differential equations now. One is yp minus x equals to 0 and the another one is x square plus pyx minus 2y square equals to 0. So first differential equation that we have got here is p into y minus x equals to 0. इसे हम आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. What do we have here is dy by dx minus y into y minus x equals to 0, and the solution of this is going to be y square minus x square equals to c. So this is the first solution that we have obtained, that is y square minus x square equals to c. We will have y square minus x square equals to 2c, so we have just replaced it by c. So this is the first solution we have obtained. The second differential equation that we are having is 2y square is equals to x square is equals to p into yx प्लस x स्क्वेयर. मुझे बताइए इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ दिस इज समथिंग एवरीवन कैन सॉल्व. दिस इज अ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑर्डर 1 एंड डिग्री 1. तो जल्दी से बताइए इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने का क्या तरीका होगा. दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज 2y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू dy by dx, और ऐसे लिखते हैं, काम करते हैं. we'll have 2y square minus x square upon yx, this guy is equals to dy by dx. Perfect. Or what I can write here is, just do one thing, we can write y dy by dx, this would be equals to 2y by x. Getting it? this would be equals to 2y by x minus we have this equals to yx, or I can write 2y square into 1 upon x minus x is equals to dy by dx into y. Perfect. We can write this way. We can write 2y square into 1 upon x minus x equals to dy by dx into y. मैंने इस तरीके से क्यों लिखा आप समझ रहे हैं? What I wanted is I just wanted to change this equation in form of a linear equation, linear differential equation, which is of the form dy by dx equals to plus p y equals to q, जहां पे p और q के होते हैं functions of x. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन ऑफ x ऑब्टेन करना चाहती थी, प्योर फंक्शन ऑफ x, और यहाँ पे एक और फंक्शन ऑफ x ऑब्टेन करना चाहती थी. बट हम इसे डायरेक्टली ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते, बिकॉज दिस इज एन इक्वेशन विच कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड टू लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो बेसिकली दिस इज समथिंग अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म dy by dx plus phi of y upon psi of y 1 upon psi of y equals to into y p equals to q. So ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कुछ इस तरीके की है. So यहाँ पे हम इसे v सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. We will try to make this dv by dx. So यहाँ पे क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगाएंगे जल्दी से बताइए. Let us substitute y square equals to v. So the moment I substitute y square equals to v, I get 2y dy by dx equals to dv by dx. Perfect. So what do we get here is 2v square into 1 upon x minus x is equals to dy by dx की जगह क्या लिखें, y into dy by dx की जगह लिखेंगे dv by dx by 2 1 upon 2. So now can I erase this side? यहां तक सभी ने नोट डाउन कर लिया? Okay. So now this differential equation is reduced to the form dv by dx is equals to v into 4 by x minus 2 by x into minus 2x. Perfect. Or this is plus. So what is the integrating factor here? Integrating factor हो गया e to the power integral minus 4 upon x dx, which is e to the power minus 4 ln x. This is our integrating factor, which is x to the power minus 4. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर मिल गया हमें x to the power minus 4. तो सोल्यूशन क्या होगा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का? इट वुड बी v into x to the power minus 4 is equals to integration of x to the power minus 4 into minus 2x dx. इसका जो भी सोल्यूशन होगा, लेट अस से द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज सम फंक्शन phi into x y c equals to 0. ओके. सो यहाँ से सॉल्व करके जो भी हमें सोल्यूशन मिलेगा, लेट अस से द सोल्यूशन कम्स आउट टू बी phi into x y c equals to 0. और पहला सोल्यूशन हमें मिल चुका है y square minus x square equals to c. The solution of this differential equation would be y square minus x square minus c into this function, whatever we'll get as the solution. So this is the solution of our differential equation. सभी को समझ में आया हमने किस तरीके से इसे सॉल्व किया? कोई भी डाउट हो तो पूछ लीजिए. Once again, what we did was we decomposed this complete in the form of two differential equations. The first differential equation we got was this, and the second differential equation we got was this. Perfect. हमने इन दोनों का सोल्यूशन निकाला, इन दोनों डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस को इंडिविजुअली सॉल्व करके इनका सोल्यूशन निकाला. So the solution for the first differential came out to be y square minus x square equals to c. और इसको solve करके let us say the solution came out to be some function of x, y, c. The multiplication of these two is the solution of our differential equation. सभी को clear है? Perfectly clear. So this is how we solve linear differential equations of order 1 and higher degree which are solvable for p. So this is the first method that we have discussed, linear differential equations of order 1 and higher degree which are solvable for p. सभी को बिल्कुल clear है? Simple सी steps है. First, reduce the differential equation in n linear differential equation, solve the n linear differential equation and find their solution, multiply the solution. This is the solution of our differential equation. एक और question मैं आपको assignment के लिए देती हूँ, just solve it और कुछ भी doubt हो तो फिर मुझसे पूछेगा, नहीं तो हम इसे बाद में sheet discussion में भी solve कर ही लेंगे. So write down a question. I want you to try hands on it. Let us say we have a differential equation p square plus 2p y cot x is equals to y square. So this is a differential equation. Order 1 है और degree 2 है, मतलब दो factors में decompose होगा. Now एक hint दे देती हूँ, when you will try to decompose this, तो it won't be easily decomposed. So what we will do here, apply solutions of quadratic equation because this is a quadratic equation. वहां से solutions मिल जाएंगे equation के दो, मतलब दो differential equations मिल जाएगी, उनको आप आसानी से solve कर पाएंगे and whatever is the result, जो भी दो solutions मिले उन्हें multiply कर दीजिएगा तो वही इस differential equation का solution होगा. Perfectly clear everyone? So with this हमने हमारी first method जो discuss कर दी, that is equation solvable for p. किसी को भी डाउट तो नहीं है इसमें? Now let us discuss our second method, that is equation solvable for y. So the second method which we are going to discuss is equations solvable for y. सभी ने नोट डाउन कर लिया था ना? Okay.